Hello guys, this is Hunter Stewart from Hunter Stewart Hobbies. This morning we are at Bronte Street in Milton, Ontario, where the CN Halton sub is right there and where the CPKC GALT sub is. Before we get in this video, why don't you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on, and let's get some trains in this video. Here comes the next scene, roll it. Alright, we got a CPKC eastbound train coming down the line. The time is now 4:32 a.m. Didn't even hear chatter for him. Okay, what do we got? We got 8630, yeah? We got 8509, DPU, alright. Symbol on this train is CPKC 230. The 230 originates from Bentonville, Illinois, terminates at the Aging Courtyard in Toronto, Ontario. All on this April 27th, 2025 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. There's the end of 230. Off it goes to Toronto where it terminates. Alright, let's see if there's any more. If not, this will be our only train in this video. On to the next scene, roll it. Alright, we got a CPKC eastbound train coming down the line. This train's coming out of the Hamilton sub, so it's heading north and it's exiting the Hamilton sub and it's heading this way, I think. Anyways, we just relocated to Main Street in Campbellville, Ontario. Also, we have a westbound coming soon as well. Anyways, here comes it. Wait, or is it coming right now? Both ways before crossing. We're good. Anyways, here comes the next scene, roll it. Alright, we got a CPKC 132 coming down the line. That's what the eastbound is. The time is now 7:04 a.m. We better get it off an angle here. It'll be awesome right here. Okay, the gates are going down. So what do we got for power on this train? We got 8818 leading. We got 9701. DP, you alright? Alright, let's see if there's any more trains coming. If not, this will wrap it up and end it. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a CPKC eastbound train coming down the line. And the yellow light is for the westbound that I saw when I was coming here. So we got a westbound for sure, but this eastbound has to go before the westbound can go. They'll probably meet somewhere on the GALT, I think. And there's a green light right there for an eastbound. We are at GUELPH Junction, we're at GUELPH Junction Road, is where we're located, at the GUELPH Junction. As you can see, we have a train coming right now, heading eastbound. Time is now 7:21 a.m., and I believe this train ID might be the 134. That's my guess, it could be a 134. Because I already caught 230 like 3 hours ago at BRONTE Street in Milton, And I caught 132 just 10-15 minutes ago, so this one's going to be 134, I think. If it's got an intermodal at the end and mixed freight at the front, then that's 134. Okay. Or is it auto racks? I don't know, I can't tell. Is there any mixed freight on it? I don't know. We'll find out. There's mixed freight, so this is one. I don't know. We got 8003 leading, 4838, 4439. Symbol on this train. Okay, I forgot to say what. Okay, the symbol on the previous train was CPKC 132, which is the previous train I caught, which came from Chilla Park and it head to Montreal. The symbol on this train here is CPKC 134. This train came out of Detroit, Michigan, or Windsor, Ontario, terminates in Toronto Agent Courtyard, all on this April 27, 2045. On Hunter's Your Hobbies on YouTube. I forgot to say that on the previous scene. Oh well. There is an interval, so this is 134. I was right, it is 134. I can tell what 134 looks like. I forgot to say I forgot to call out the ID for the 132 in the previous train, but I knew it wasn't. Oh well. I always call the ID and say the date after, as soon as the train comes by. Sometimes I know it, and sometimes I forget it. That's how it is some days. When is that westbound going to show up? It's going to show up eventually, but don't know when. This westbound's taken a long time to get here. It's cleared since 5 o'clock this morning. I think the reason why he gets taken slower than the usual because he had to let some eastbounds clear before he can go by. I think this eastbound had to held 135 up somewhere. I don't know where. But hopefully he'll probably be rolling through any minute now. Okay, I hear a rumble. He could be coming right. He could be sneaking up any minute now. I think the westbound train's going to be 135. You want to bet the westbound one? The one that's coming westbound is going to be 135. I want to bet. I don't know. There's the end of 134. I bet there's going to be a westbound sneaking up soon. I mean, the westbound train's going to have to show up eventually somehow. But just don't know when it'll probably be here. Okay, here comes the next scene roll. Let's see if there's any more trains coming. If not, this will be it for this video. Here comes the next scene roll it. Watch it go down the bend first. Here comes the next scene roll it. Alright, this will wrap it up for today's video, folks. Unfortunately, this westbound's going to be off the table because he's taking a fucking long time to get here. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on, leave comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hunter Stewart Hobby signing off. Peace out, everybody.